In this short tutorial, you will learn how to turn off call recording on your iPhone running iOS 18. You might want to disable this feature because you no longer need it. Thankfully, Apple makes this process quick and easy. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down to the bottom. When you reach the bottom, look for an option labeled Apps. Tap on it. This section will display all the applications installed on your device, allowing you to manage their settings individually. Now, scroll down this list until you find the phone app. Once you've located it, go ahead and tap on Phone. Within the phone settings menu, continue scrolling down until you see an option for Call Recording. Tap on it. As seen here, call recording is currently enabled. To turn off this feature and stop any future recordings, simply toggle off this switch so it turns gray instead of green. And that's it. You've successfully disabled call recording on your iPhone running iOS 18. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.